Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to link stocks and sources. First, we have to generate an admin access token. Enter the admin username and password. Create a new post request with this endpoint. Copy and paste the token in authorization section as bearer token. While linking stocks and sources, these attributes will be needed. I will leave the sample code in the description. After complete, Magento will return an empty array. Then you must perform a full reindex and flush the cache. Then log into your Magento admin and check the result. As you can see, we have successfully linked stocks to sources. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,